Hey guys, I'm going to show you all how to get this look in less than 45 minutes. Keep on watching. Okay, so my hair is already ready for my quick weave install, and basically what she did off camera was she braided my hair, she put a stocking cap on top of my braids, and she sewed the stocking cap around the perimeter of my braid. Now what she's doing here is she's cutting out a section where my closure will be. Now she also put a stocking cap on top of that section that she cut out. Now putting a stocking cap on top of that section is going to give your closure a more natural look. And she's also sewing that closure onto that section where the stocking cap is. Oh, and before I forget, she did use, like, I guess it's called like hair paper or whatever, underneath my stocking cap, just to make sure the glue doesn't seep through my hair once she gets ready to install the track. So just want to make sure I put that out there to make sure you have another barrier between the stocking cap and your hair to make sure the glue doesn't go through. So as you can see, my hair is completely covered and tucked. Nothing is out. So when she gets ready to apply this glue, nothing will be touching my hair. Again, there's two barriers. There's a stocking cap and there's like the hair paper or whatever you want to call it. I don't know. But it's stuff that's protecting my hair from the glue. So basically what she's doing is going from ear to ear with the track, and she's just, putting the tracks on. And by the way, this is Amanda's hair. This is their Malaysian hair, which is a 24, 22 inch, and a 20. And I did use a closure instead of a frontal because I did not want to glue down a closure. I did not want to glue down a frontal, so I did prefer to use a closure for this quick weave install. So I will be coming back with a full review on this hair. So yeah. I honestly have like a love-hate relationship with quick weaves because, like, I love that, it takes like really 45-minute tops for a quick weave, but they really don't last that long because they are a quick weave. Like, it took maybe like 30 minutes for the braid down and the install, and like another 15 minutes for the styling part. So it's like a really good style or really good method for someone who is in a rush. It's definitely, affordable, it's convenient. But the only drawback to it, in my opinion, is it just doesn't last that long. I would say maybe 2 to 3 weeks, but some people maybe can make it stretch a little bit longer. But I do like quick weaves, especially today's quick weaves. It's a lot more easier on your hair than back in the day when they would like slap all this black gel on your hair. It's not like that today. So yeah, this is pretty much the final look. She is going to throw some curls in my hair, and then I am going to be out the door and slaying, honey. So if you want to purchase this hair, all purchasing information will be below. I will be back with a final review on this hair because I do need to give you guys an update on this hair. This hair is all over my Instagram, by the way, so make sure you're following me on Instagram. I'm already quite sure this video is going to be all over Facebook because for some reason when me and her do quick weaves, it's all over Facebook. So yeah, it is what it is. Thanks guys. Bye.